Cleanliness is more than appearance. It's protection. It's peace of mind. At Maobao, we understand that clean isn't optional. It's essential.
Over the years, Maobao has been fully committed to developing safe, effective, and eco-friendly products, offering solutions for fabric care, home cleaning, and personal protection.
Every product we make begins in the lab, where our R&D team rigorously tests for effectiveness, environmental impact, and skin safety. Each step of our rigorous process reflects our uncompromising interpretation of what clean means.
We never compromised when it comes to R&D. Our approach is focused, in-depth, and always evolving. Every Maobao product must stand the test of time.
From small batch development to mass production, our smart manufacturing lines combine automation, quality control, and human oversight. This ensures we deliver stable, reliable quality without cutting corners on the details, delivering millions of units annually, each held to the same exacting standard.
In recent years, we've implemented new workflows to further improve our efficiency that aligns with ESG principles.
We continue to choose environmentally friendly ingredients and formulas, making sustainability a real part of our daily decisions and operations. We prioritize worker well-being, product safety, and transparent governance.
Because cleaning the world starts with how we operate within it. Through every choice we make, every process we improve, and every commitment we uphold to sustainability, responsibility, and care.